Hi, this is Ron Duncan with House to Home. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a refrigerator light. For this project, we don't need tools, so I'm simply going to open the door and notice that the light is out. Up top is a switch, and this switch will make contact with the door to turn the light on and off. The light bulb is located underneath here. Now these light bulbs do go bad from time to time. I'm simply going to unscrew the light bulb. And this is actually an appliance bulb. When you go to the store, you want to actually get an appliance bulb. It has a higher rating and lasts a lot longer. So I have my new bulb. I'm going to replace it. And you can see that the light is now on. And let's see if the switch works. There's the off position and the on position. This has been Ron Duncan with House to Home, and that's how you repair a refrigerator light.